Okay, so here we are back inside of the tracking solution. If you remember from the previous video how we structured our campaign URLs to include that little bit of token at the end of it to track each individual banner. Okay, so we did that in a way so we could track each banner and know which one is doing what and which one's performing well. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video the reason why we did that and the reason why we structured it like that. Okay, so what I did was, if you take a look here, it says 27 clicks. These clicks are just randomly generated by me. I went ahead and took that campaign link and manually entered it into the browser just so I could get some click data, okay? But this is going to work great for this demonstration purpose. Okay, so we'll take a look at the campaign that has some data, and what you would do is click the stat button and it'll bring us to this page, the campaign stats, okay? Right now, you take a look, it says offer overview. It shows the 3 different offers that we were rotating traffic to. Okay, so it shows the amount of clicks, 8, 7, and 12. Okay, it's automatically being rotated through these different offers. Okay, so right now, of course, there's no lead data, there's no conversion data, there's none of this other data because again, we don't have any leads and I manually generated these clicks. Okay, if there was a landing page, there would actually be a landing page click-through rate stat right here, but for now, since this campaign is a direct link campaign, we're only seeing click stats for each offer. Okay, so right now it's working, it's rotating through these offers. Here's the really good part about it. Right now it says group data by all data. If we were to click this and it brings the drop down menu, you'll see all this other stuff that iMobiTrax automatically collects. But if you look at the very bottom, it says banners. Remember how we set that up? We named it banners and we added a little tiny token which was ban for the token that we're going to use. Okay, and remember we manually changed it from ban to ban 1, ban 2, ban 3, and so on and so on. Remember? So that's in the drop down menu now, that little category that we created. So what we're going to do is click that and it'll upload, and when we scroll down, look at what we see here. It shows us the different banners that were clicked on. Okay, so now everything's nice and organized. If we were to actually have a lead for a particular banner, it would show us the lead here, which would be, instead of 0, it would be 1 or whatever number, or however many numbers of leads we generated, and it'll also show us the banner it came from. Okay, so right now all it's showing is the different banners that got traffic and the amount of clicks each banner got. Okay, and again, if you had a landing page, it will show you the click-through rate of each landing page per banner. Okay, so that's the reason why we did that earlier, the reason why we set it up like that, nice and organized. So right now, even if you were to look at it and say, okay, banner 1, we would know what banner is banner 1 because we labeled that banner inside of our folder on our desktop. Okay, and we also named banner 1 the name of our ad in Traffic Junkie. Okay, so everything is congruent, everything is matching, everything is nice and organized. Okay, that's why it's so important to start off on the right foot and keep things organized and focused. Okay, so right now, if there were leads, you would know exactly, boom, okay, banner 3 generated 3 leads, and banner 6 and 7 didn't perform well at all. Now you could take that information, go back into Traffic Junkie and just pause banner 6 and banner 7 because it matches up with your tracking. Do you know what I mean? And then you could ramp up banner 3 if banner 3 was the one generating the majority of leads. Okay, and it's kind of hard to see because there's 0 leads here, but that's not really important. What's important is being able to see this data, knowing which individual banner brought you what type of data. Okay, so again, being organized pays off. It's going to be useful because then later on, if you were to run traffic elsewhere, you might say, I know banner 6 and 7, they really don't perform well overall. I'm not even going to waste my time loading these guys up. Or you may want to scale to a different traffic source because banner 1 and banner 2 are doing really well on this source. So you could take banner 1 and banner 2, since you know which one it is on your desktop because it's nice and organized, and go ahead and set up a new campaign elsewhere running those banners. So it's just another strategy to identify what's working and be able to scale a lot faster instead of having to test everything over that we're just underperformers. Okay, a lot of people do that. They keep reloading up the same banners and get the same poor results. Okay, so this is it right here. Again, you can add in different, you can look at different stats. You know what I mean? You can enter in more categories, and it's pretty much whatever you want to track. Okay, but that's the benefit of setting it up like that, and I just wanted to show you that. But we'll touch back in another video on some more advanced statistical analyzation and optimizing your stats and stuff like that. But for now, just know that setting up your campaign in that way allows you to see what banner is what. Okay, so I'll check you guys out in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed it.